If you are using fàng for everything, you are not alone. But did you know there are at least five different put verbs in Chinese, and each Chinese verb paints a different picture of how things fit into space? In today's video, we will break down when to use fang, bai, cha, hua, and zhuāng so you can arrange your words like a pro. Let's get started. Meet Lily and Xiaoming. Both are using the Chinese word fang to put things, but in totally different ways. Let's see why. Lily is careful. She says, 把杯子放在桌上. The 把 and 在 are her grammar helpers for exact placement. She is intentionally putting the cup on the table. Whereas Xiaoming, he said, 书包放这儿. No 把 or no 在. That's because he is casual. He is not aiming, just leaving it somewhere. We did a detailed video on how to use 把, so if you are interested, do check it out. We know fang means put for objects, but what if I tell you you can put your feelings and even time in Chinese? Let's unlock the magic of abstract fang. Imagine putting down your heart. In Chinese, that's 放心. It means relax. So when mom says 放心, she's telling you don't worry. Everything's fine. Now, what if you could put down work and release holiday? That's 放假. It means to take a vacation. Students love this word. 什么时候放假? When is the holiday? Finally, 放声大哭, release loud crying. It's when you really let those tears out. If you want to say to put something neatly, you can use 放好. 放好 means to put it properly, like a librarian arranging books. You can say 书放好了. The books have been neatly placed or arranged properly. The next Chinese word is 放下. 放下 means when you stop holding something and put it down. 放 means release and 下 is down. Example, 皮包放下了. The bags have been put down. What about when you want to shove something in or put something inside? You can say 放进. For example, 衣服放进洗衣机了. The clothes have been put into the washing machine. The next Chinese character is 摆. What exactly is 摆? Look at the picture on the left. This is what happens when you just 放 things, just put things. But on the right is the magic of 摆. It's not just putting, it's arranging with a purpose. Let's take a look at the first example. The difference between 摆餐具 and 放餐具. 摆餐具 means to set the table. It means you arrange the tableware properly, like in a formal or neat way. 放餐具 is to just put down the tableware. It means to place the tableware somewhere without any special order. No strict arrangement. So the key difference between 摆餐具 and 放餐具 is 摆 is for formal placement, organized, whereas 放 is casual placement. Let's look at another example. 放熊在沙发, put the bear on the sofa. 放 simply means to put or place something somewhere, no focus on arrangement. What about 摆熊在沙发? Bai means to lay out or arrange something neatly, often for a specific effect like a display, a decoration, or an order. You are intentionally placing the bear in a certain position so it looks nice or serves a decorative purpose. The basic meaning of cha means to insert or to stick into. The core idea is putting something into something else, usually by pushing or piercing. It often implies going inside another object or space, not just placing it gently. For example, when you want to insert a USB stick into a computer, you use 插 and not 放。把 USB 插进电脑 insert the USB stick into the computer. If you use 放, it means just to put the USB stick on the computer, like placing it on top and not inserting. You can use 插 for actions like 插花, arrange flowers into a vase. 插钥匙, insert a key into a lock. 插电, plugging in a charger. 插旗, sticking a flag into the ground. Or 插卡到读卡器, to plug or insert the card into the card reader. You can also use 插 in abstract terms. For example, 插嘴. This literally means insert a mouth. It depicts someone cutting into a conversation, like forcibly sticking their mouth into others' talk. 插队, cutting in line, literally means insert into the line. It describes someone pushing themselves into a queue where they don't belong. The verb 挂 is versatile in Chinese, but its core meaning revolves around hanging or suspending something. For example, 挂衣服. This refers to hanging clothes on a hook, hanger, clothesline, etc. It implies dangling freely. It's not folded or it's not stacked. 我把外套挂在衣柜里. I hung my coat in the wardrobe. So the key idea for 挂衣服 emphasizes vertical suspension. 挂灯, hang a lamp. It's used for hanging light fixtures like ceiling lamps, lanterns, etc. Often implies permanent or decorative installation. 挂 like 插 can also be used in a figurative way. For example, 挂电话 means to hang up the phone. 网络挂了 means the internet crashed. 挂科 means someone has failed an exam. 我挂了 this is used in a video game meaning I'm dead. 挂 can also be used to refer to something left unresolved. For example, 问题还挂着 the issue is still pending. Or 挂账 leave a bill unpaid. Lastly, 装 load or install. This is to fill a container or install systematically, used for packing luggage or installing software. Example, 把衣服装到行李箱里. Put the clothes into the suitcase. 装 can also use to mean to pretend, used when someone fakes an emotion or state. For example, 装傻 play dumb. 装蒜 pretend ignorance. 装不懂 pretend not to understand. Other common phrases with 装, like apparel-related terms in Chinese. 服装, general term for apparel or clothing. 西装, Western suit, modern formal wear. 古装, ancient style clothing, historical attire. zhuāng to use to refer to different style or packing, like 箱装 boxed or packed in a box. 罐装 means can or packed in a can. 安装 means to install. 包装 is to pack or packaging, like 包装礼物 to wrap a gift. 装 can also be used for 装修, renovate or decorate. 装扮 to dress up or disguise. Now let's go through what we have learned in this video. Number one, fàng. Fàng, general placement. No arrangement needed. Used for casual actions like putting phones, books, or bags. Example, 把杯子放在桌上. Number two, by the artful arranger. This is an intentional placement used for decor, shops, or oddly setups. Example, 把花瓶摆在架子中间. Number three, cha, insert or plug. This is for piercing or fitting into a slot. Used for keys, USB, flowers in a vase. Example, 把 USB 插进电脑里. Number four, 挂 hang, suspend from above. Needs a hook or a nail. Used for clothes, paintings, or lanterns. Example, 把外套挂在衣架上. Lastly, 装 load or install. This is to fill a container or install systematically. Used for packing luggage or installing software. Example, 把衣服装到行李箱里. Now you have mastered 放, 摆, 插, 挂, and 装, 5 little verbs that can make your Chinese sound instantly more natural. Which one will you try using today? Drop it in the comments, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese made simple and fun. 再见。